Good evening. I wanted to make a video and explain to you the answers for number one and number four. So, the first one is telling you that the program terminates. So, it shows you this while loop. It says while the answer equals y, while the answer doesn't equal y, execute the loop. But it tells you the program terminates. So, that means at some point you exited the loop. So, the only way you're going to exit the loop is when answer equals y, because the loop runs when it doesn't equal y. As soon as it equals y, this condition goes false and we go around and continue with the rest of the program. Now, for question number four, just to be brutally honest with you, the way to do a problem like this is to kind of come up with an example. So you're told um, that the lower limit is exclusive, which basically means it's not included. And then the upper limit is inclusive, which means it is included. So we're talking about the difference between a less than and a less than or equal to. So I picked a couple numbers. Picked lower equals 1 and upper equals 4. So we're basically looking for the integer values that are between 1, but not including 1, and 4, but including 4. So the possible integer values in that range are 2, 3, and 4. So, I took the answer that worked and I kind of worked through it. So the first thing that you get is you're casting to int math.random. This is what math.random gives you, times upper minus lower. So this is 3. So take 3 and multiply both ends. So we're casting to be an int. 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 3. So if I cast to int, the only possibilities is the set of numbers 0, 1, and 2. And the rest of the correct solution tells you to add lower and then add 1. Well, lower I picked as 1, so I plugged it in. So all the possible values that the correct equation would give you would take each one of these numbers from the set and add 2. So they have their numbers 2, 3, and 4. And that happens to be the correct values that we're looking for. So moral of the story, if you get a problem like this again, make sure you can write out a statement like this, come up with some simple examples, figure out what the correct values would be, and then kind of look at the multiple choice options and plug in your values and see which one works. So a problem like this takes a long time. On the AP exam, I would skip it and come back to it. So all this work that I'm writing down, you need to be doing stuff like that. Could treat some of these problems like a math problem. Otherwise, they're going to continue to be a thorn in your side. So hopefully if it helps. If not, let me know.